moja.
Thutha wake kwaga ataramenyeka kuri arikia gwitwara ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Gigiri, Philip Aroko uria niwe mwikwirio munene njuragano-ini ya mũmbunge wa Kasipul Charles Ongondo Were mathaa ma thaa 9:05 nirio akinyirio igoti-ini ria JKIA. Ni thutha wa igoti nene watha munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja arehe Aroko igoti-ini. Aroko niwe kuringana na mwena wa thitango arekwirwo gubanga gikuo kia Ongondo, kuona niwe urekwirwo kuruta mbeca cia kuriha tabania a ngero eno, na iguru wa uguo kurerikana ni atumire Ongondo ndumiriri cia kumuguoyohia na iria iraigite muturire wake hatikaini.
Investigations indicate communication with suspects involved in this matter with the respondent, who we believe to have been a key organizer and financer.
Aroko kurerikana arari na micemanio etiganite kuma Homa Bay, Nairobi na Naikuru, iria yothe irerikana yari ya kwarira gikuo kia Were. Mwena wa thitango ukienda hingirwo thiku 30 niguo thuthuria wambikwo, undu uria mawakiri yake mageretie kuregana naguo. Guku mucirithania Irene Gicobi agiathana Aroko haingirwo thiku 7 ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kirereshwa.
What has that got to do with the issue that we are talking about, recusal? How do you interject and allow them? How does it come into the proceedings? And it's going on record? Something is wrong.
Exactly.
Yes, you guys are wrong.
On your part, something is
When somebody resists,
Your Honor, you are being set.
No, just a minute.
You are being set on a burden. You will never come out.
Maya makihanika igoti-ini, atongoria matiganite na aikari mwena wa Kachien Kasipul kaunti-ini ya Homa Bay mahumururukite kuhe Ongondo gitio kia muthia igongona-ini ria mathiko, o mwaria thutha wongi akienda kihoto gikinyanirio matongoretio ni mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga.
These people must be brought to book immediately, and they are known. They are known. And we know that this is actually as a political assassination.
Iguru woguo teti no weyumiritie mathiko-ini maya, amemba kiama kia ODM magitheria ati unyitaniri wao na thirikari ni wa kiwira, no mithingi ya kiama kiao kia ODM ndirirathinggithio na matire na meciria kana mubango o wothe wa kunina kiama giki. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Gitonga wa Wambui.